This is a quick video showing the points translation problem that we're experiencing. I've just created a blank drawing and I just called it points test. I'm going to go to points and I'm going to set a coordinate file. And this coordinate file has a lot of points in it, over 40,000. New points, list points. There's 40,663 points. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw locate all the points. I'll just put them on layer deed. I'm going to set them at SPT0. It doesn't seem to matter. I've tried it with different point symbols. I'll just put them on points and draw all. Now obviously drawing this many points there's going to be a delay in some of this stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and show what the process entails. And this is running on I'm going to look up and see what my computer system is. I am running a Intel Core 2 Quad Q9450 at 2.66 gigahertz. I have 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's a 64-bit Windows Vista Ultimate operating system. That gives you an idea what kind of system. I have 2 terabytes of storage space on my hard drives that are RAID 0. So now we have all our points, and everything's good to this up to this point. Now if we go to points, adjust coordinates, translate points, and we translate them all, I'm just going to translate from point 1, which is a 5,000, 5,000, 1,000, and I'm just going to set a destination of 6,000, 6,000, 100. So it's going to move 1,000, 1,000, and 900, negative 900. I'm just going to move all the points, overwrite the existing coordinates, and click OK and let it do that. Now, other than recording software, the Camtasia Studio, I don't really have anything else running. Looks like I have one web browser and Microsoft Outlook running. So we notice it's moving the points. You can see them disappearing as it translates them in the file. It's translating them on the screen. And it tells us they're all done. I will do a zoom extents, and we can see that we're now in the 6,000, 6,000 range. Okay, everything's great. Perfect. Works as it should. Now, the problem comes if you go to points, adjust coordinates, translate points, and let's just say we want to move it to 10th. Well, take that back. Point 1 is our reference again, and let's just do 10,000, 10,000, and back to 1,000 for the elevation. Now I'll click OK. and we see that it translated the points. But we notice this time it didn't update them on the screen. We're still at 6,000, 6,000. And so if I go to points, coordinate file utilities, and update drawing from coordinate file, and I tell it to draw points that are not in the drawing and erase points, do all that, and put it in later points. Okay, we can see that it says that it points drawn, it drew them, and we exit, and I do a zoom extents. I now have two sets of points. So it's not, it's like the 6,000, 6,000 points doesn't exist. It's like it doesn't know that they're there because it didn't erase them. It should have erased them. I asked it to erase points not in the coordinate file. So the only way to get rid of them is just to highlight them and erase them. This seems to be an issue with this many points. Now I've tried saving the drawing, closing it, opening it back up, doing another translate, and it does the same thing. It does it fine with an initial drawing, but once you've done one translation with this many points, it doesn't matter what you do, it won't translate them and move them on the screen. It does seem to update the coordinate file fine, but it doesn't update the drawing file. And it kind of makes me wonder if it's kind of related to the other problem that I reported with the edit multiple point attributes, the point node going away, because it seems like it's losing the link between the points that are on screen and what's in the coordinate file. It's like it's losing the fact that they're points. Anyway, that's the problem we're having.